in both military and commercial aircraft, and if they have decided to do that, they will get there. So this competitive pressure coming from companies of where economies are boosting is inducing further pressure on being and continuing to be at the leading edge of technology. And we have different ways of continuing to innovate. I was just want to briefly quote one. Innovation could be also in how you design and build a new strategic partnership. And so it's not only technology. Innovation goes also to the business model itself, and developing new business models and new models for business relationships is also a way to innovate. In this particular case, this capability that we have developed in learning how to cooperate with different people around the world has given to us the possibility to include in our portfolio a regional jet. There was no other way to get there. We didn't have the money to develop from scratch a new regional jet. There was no other opportunity that doing a strategic alliance with who had the money and the competencies to invest on such a project. And certainly we were not the only one running for that, but at the end we have been the one that been selected and the one that have signed this strategic partnership with Sukhoi. Certainly the most say commonly thought way of promoting innovation is through technology, product, and I would underline also process excellence. This chart is a snapshot of what we have done, for instance, with our composite experience through the years. Behind the charts that describes what we have done on the single specific products, there is a long history of research and development activities of process improvements that has enabled us to step in all those programs, introducing every time new technology without affecting to the least possible extent the risk of this development. So behind the curtain there is a long process of maturing technologies and bringing technology to the proper technology level in order to be fit and introduced on products without unnecessary risks. And this is continuing, of course, and goes beyond 787, and we are ready to go into the next phase, the new generation turboprop or other application in combat aircraft like new combat UAV, etc. will be for us the new frontier for application of these technologies. Yeah, that's a quick view about our the fuselage we are producing in one piece for Boeing for the 787. It's really something that is worth having a look at that, because pictures and sketches they don't give the right measure of what is not only this product but also the process that stays before this product. It's really impressive, and our automated plant in Italia to build the one-piece barrel of the 787, I think it is not our words, but it's certainly also Boeing opinion, one of the leading edge plant throughout the world. And the combination of design, product design and process design that has led to the production of this big piece of aircraft is what we are proud of. Certainly, coming closer to the subject of the conference, in order to build a new approach to design, development and certification, and moving towards more towards simulation and a simulated environment. You need to have a strong background, and this strong background of data and of competences and skills comes also from our strong background in developing and testing. Not only structural testing, it's system testing, and our capability of it's flight testing, and all our capability to collect all our experiences and to leverage from this experience is what is helping us in entering the new arena of virtual modeling and simulation. And a lesson we learned is that technology and product development are important, but if you really want to have a breakthrough in terms of reducing development lifespan and reducing development cost, you have to work on processes. This is not something we have invented in aeronautics. We had a lot of predecessor. Automotive probably has led this way because they have felt the competitive pressure before, but we're following the same path, and I hope we'll see that we have a lot in common with what we are doing, and this innovation through process design and process improvement embraces all the lifespan and the life cycle of our products. We have certainly a step approach to this kind of innovation. We had first to consolidate our base of infrastructure and data management, but moving from those foundations, we have a program that will lead us in 3 to 5 years to a complete virtual prototype and virtual certification approach. We have not started. We're not starting now. I can remember, and probably our friends from ANAC will remember that long time ago, almost 10 years ago, for certain aspects of the certification of the C-27J, like the lightning strike, we were able, thanks also to their cooperation, to certify the C-27J to lightning strike exclusively by simulation, with no need for hardware, for any hardware testing, which was quite a success. It's more than 10 years ago, so I think we have to be proud and remember that. But in the meantime, we have moved, and we have right now all other examples where the development right time has been drastically reduced by multidisciplinary integration. The recent design and development of a new generation interiors for the Superjet 100 is the most recent application of this technology.